In this video, I'll show you how to do a printhead cleaning on your Epson XP-7100 in case the ink has dried out, maybe because you didn't print often. So on the display over here, you're gonna go swiping towards the right side on the main menu page, select maintenance, and from here we have all the options. So you have a printhead nozzle check. This is if you're unsure if you need a printhead cleaning, but I will suppose that you already know that you need one. And then you're going to select printhead cleaning. You'll have to insert some paper in the tray of the printer because it will print one at the end. And then press start. It takes around 2-3 minutes, and yeah, this will clean the printheads. Now, if you see that it's getting better, you can do a second printhead cleaning if you see an improvement on the results. You can also do a printhead alignment in this menu, or a paper guide cleaning if, let's say, you're still having issues with your Epson printer and maybe it's not a printhead cleaning that it needed. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.